I'm Paul Tapier here with EGR at SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse, and I'm with Robert from EGR, who's going to tell us about their premium auto accessories, no less, that you can find on autopartswarehouse.com, but in particular, these fender flares. Tell us about them, Robert.
So this is our standard bolt-on style fender flare. How we're different than everybody else is we manufacture our own material in Australia. It's a virgin material that we use. It's containered to southern and shipped to Southern California, where we cut and mold, form, trim the part there. This is our standard material. It is paintable. It is UV protected. It's warranted for a lifetime. We have another version of it, which is our matte bolt-on style flare. So with this flare, you'll get a premium matte material. It's again, it's warranted for a lifetime. It does come with black bolts in it. All of our fender flares, you won't have to do any drilling, so it's completely bolt-on. The other set of flares that we also offer are color match, which is on this vehicle over here.
Let's walk over to this Lariat F250 and see what the color match looks like.
Yeah, so our color match flares retail at about $779 at the moment. They come with bolts and extrusion pre-installed, so the installation is super simple. You can have these set of flares on your vehicle in 15 minutes, which is really awesome. We do offer them in quite a few different, the most popular colors at the moment. So make sure you check them out.
All right, thank you, Robert. We're going to actually go up and down this F250 Lariat to see what other things you can get from EGR and are available on Auto Parts Warehouse. I'm Paul Tapier. Stay tuned.